This is the last animation we're supposed to do, which is the animation of someone doing a press up. Someone doing press up. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to set the posture. I'm going to set the posture. Come here. I'm going to set the posture. Now, once I'm done setting the posture, I'll come to this place and bring it up. Come to this place. I'll come here and bring it up a little with my rotation. Then I'll come to this place with my rotation. I would bring this guy up. I'll come here, bring this guy up. Now you have to be very careful with how you set your hands. You have to be very careful. So I'll set this guy up here and be sure. Okay, so the hand is a little bit tilted, so I'll bring it back to normal. Bring it back to normal. Yes. Now I'll come to this place, bring this place here, Control 3, which is the other angle. I'll come to this place, I'll now bring it up. Then I'll come to this place, which is the hand bone, and bring it up here. Come to this place, bring it up here. Now I've done my posture set. My posture is set. So now we have set the posture. Let us make it an inverse kinematics. Don't worry if the hand goes back. So I'll come here, extrude E, Alt P, clear parent, GY, move it out. Then I would come to this place, we go back and check where the bone stayed. So I can come here and I can move it up, I can move it in, and I can move it up, right? So if I move it up, I'll come to this 7 and I'll move it to this side, and I'll come to 1 and I'll keep it in here. I'll keep it in there. I'll be sure keep it here, and once I do it that way, I'll click here and do my inverse kinematics. I'll come here using my inverse. This is the bone we're going to use. Now I'll come here and click on this particular one and name it, I'll name it IK target.L. So come to this place, inverse kinematic amateur, IK target.L. Now IK target.L. Then I'll come here, go to my edit mode again, come to my edit mode, extrude, Alt P, clear parent, GY, move it out. Then I'll come back to my pose mode, move this guy up, be sure that it is on axis, rotate it, make sure it's on axis. Then come to this place. Before I do that, remember the chain level should be on 2, chain length should be on 2. Then I'll come here, do my amateur and my, okay, I've not named it, so I'm supposed to name it IK pole. Remember to do your .L. Then I'll still come back here and do my IK pole .L. Now we have to do -90. -90 will take it back to its usual. Then The next thing I'm going to do is, now remember the first one we were doing, we did forward kinematics for the upper body, inverse kinematics for the lower body. Now we're doing forward kinematics for the lower body, inverse kinematics for the upper body. On our next class, I'm going to teach you how to do for inverse kinematics for both boats and forward kinematics for both boats. You understand? So now, what's the next thing I'm going to do? I'll come down to edit mode and I'll click on this guy and I'll do what? And I'll symmetrize. Now let's see what happens. Now if I symmetrize, this is what happens. It's fine. Rotate, come down to up, use this one, and move it to this place, move it outside. Now you know it is the IK target that I'm using to set this guy up. It is the IK target that I'm using to set him up. It is the IK target that I'm using to set him up. It is the IK target that I'm using to set him up. So once I'm done with this, the hands are up and doing, then I can come here, click on A, select everything, come to this place and rotate it downward, and then take it down to the origin. Be sure that it is down on the origin. Now you find out that there's a problem. I need to set it up to this angle. Yes. So then if I set that up to that angle, let's see if we can push this guy down. Are you seeing? One thing about the inverse kinematics is now I can edit these things on their own without it disturbing the chain. I can put it on their own without it disturbing the chain. Are you seeing? That's what I'm doing. I can put this thing up without it disturbing the chain. I want to work on the hands. So I'll just put the hands on the floor, put it here, be very sure that it's touching the very ground that we decide to step on, because it must touch the ground. So here is the story. Once upon a time, a man decided to do press up. The man is David, and he did press up and he pressed up. Sorry, so I need to bring it up, I need to bring it down. So this is how you use your distance to make sure that the hands are well placed. So I need to touch the shoulders. So you can see my guy is perfectly placed on the floor and is ready for the cardio, because he needs to stay fit for his family. He just got married. He's a newly wedded couple man, anything like that. Anyway, don't mind me. So I'll come here, I'll click on my A, and I will press I, and I will go to 10. I want to set it up. So I'll come here, I'll bring it down. Now if I bring it down, no, I'm supposed to click the both legs together so they will be uniformed. I'll bring it up, and then stay there, my A and I. Now let's see. So I'll come to this place, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, 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 come to this place, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Now here is my press up. So now here is your animation. You can see how the hand is moving. You know this guy is just starting his fitness journey. So this is the idea of doing a normal press up animation. Are you getting what I'm saying? This is the idea of understanding what your animation basics is all about.